Hey guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marx video. Today we're going to be doing, or reacting to, Alexis's abandoned place in Juan Cinto. Let's get into it. Alright, so. It looks cool. I like that.
Oh my.
I'm not sure what's over there. It looks like an old elevator.
Are we allowed to go in there?
I don't know.
This is an elevator.
It's an elevator? It's a very strange looking elevator.
Yeah, they didn't go in here.
Nope, can't go in there. I don't know what the world would be like if there were no locks.
Wait. Okay, we can't go in there either. Let's head downstairs, guys. I'm not sure what's down here.
At least you can go down. Mexican music in the background.
Guys.
I believe there was meant to be water there.
Water or core here.
It must have looked better when there was water, because now it's all like dry and like ugly. I bet you it looked better with the water there.
Can we access this?
It reminds me of Old Town for some reason. Nope.
Oh, it doesn't work.
That would have been so cool if you could.
It doesn't work.
That sucks. Nope, can't go in there.
No, let's run back up the stairs.
In here and panting. Must have been a lot of stairs. What's up there? I'll open the door. Turn off with that knob.
That's unauthorized. Can we check out this way?
What is that place?
Oh. Dude, this may be some creepy area here.
Creepy? What's that?
Dude, do you feel like this is like a creepy area, guys?
Oh, creepy.
Let's head downstairs, guys.
This seems pretty eerie. A dark room.
We can't. Oh, we can't. I don't think we're not supposed to go down there that way. I think we have to use the other way.
Okay.
Going down there. Like, you guys can go in here as well. I'm in, this is in, oh no, but I forgot, I don't know what place I'm in. Look.
There's almost no one in there.
Run upstairs, guys.
Run upstairs again.
Oh god. Be careful.
Okay.
This is where we came from.
No, that was from the
Can we
beginning.
go here?
It says something there.
Yeah.
It's a pretty futuristic knob for an old style building.
This is very old, guys. Very old here. This is really old. Okay. Okay. Let's sit down.
Cool.
Guys, I was about to fall down there. There might be some type of jump scare right
Bathrooms.
here. I think there might
Bathroom
be
sign.
some
Push.
It's also
Instantly.
wagging here.
Kind of reminds me of Old Town for some reason, like the stable area. I haven't made a video there yet, but I might do it soon. Radio, I believe.
That's like Guys,
It looks like a really nice place,
this
though.
is way old. Oh. No, can we get going there? Guys, this
Can
is
we?
way old. This is where Mexicans were here?
Yeah, it seems pretty Mexican, alright. I don't know about those. Are those rocks?
Ooh, right there.
Driving school.
What?
A lamppost. Some chairs.
Over there?
Or concrete chairs.
What?
Tables.
You. Wow, guys. Oh, really? Wait! It's up upstairs!
Oh gosh. I bet this was back then when he was started to do YouTube, because the camera is super shaky. It's hard to tell what's going on. First you see like tiles, and you see like the whole thing, then you see tiles again. Yeah, this was back then.
What up?
I mean, no offense, but even my first video wasn't that bad.
Stuff in here.
I mean, sure, that there were some videos where I mostly just aimed the camera down, but
Some cobwebs.
that was a while back.
There's also a freaking elevator. I'm not gonna press those buttons, I'm not sure it's gonna stop. Wait, safe place? Yeah, this is a safe place.
It's locked. There's no safe place. Everyone for themselves.
This is way old, guys. Can we go there? Ooh, there's something over there. Maybe jump scare or something.
Like, what? That's not a horror area. Entrance.
Yeah, I don't know what's there, but hey. Try this door. Okay, locked. This is way old.
Who's that? I'm here. Oh, there's the thing from the video.
Alright guys, we managed to get over here. What's here? Oh, it's barricade.
The barricade
There's
area.
more, I think it's barricade too.
I mean,
I think that must be
sure,
something
it would, but why wouldn't people use wood as a barricade? Just a question. I'm sure it's easy to get, but it's not a very good material. You just jab at it with a strong enough weapon with enough, good enough force. They could burn it down.
Oh, what's it? Oh, this was a jewelry store.
Actually?
It's getting windy right now, though. Can we still open this? No.
Oh, those are rocks. Those were those bumpy things earlier. Ooh, he's constantly moving the camera. It's so hard to focus. But yes, those are rocks. That looks like a stage, though. Somewhere where a band would perform.
Oh, there's another elevator. I think that's the for the upstairs kind.
An elevator.
Let's press it. Nothing happens.
Why are you doing it with the middle finger?
Where you get in though? Can you still open this? Oh, you can't open that.
Nope.
This is a.
What is that?
That's open? No way. Is it abandoned?
Is it abandoned?
I never knew this was open.
That place looks pretty abandoned.
There's the restroom right there. Might be some type of jump scare. Whoa.
What the heck?
It might be some type of jump scare, guys. There's a security camera up there.
Okay.
Oh my god, we can move this? Hold up, guys. Come here, how about we go? I'm gonna take the right one.
You can move that? I can't.
So, can we get on this? It moves. Guys, look at it.
I can't tell, but it probably is. Oh yeah, it probably is. They saw it moving.
Yeah, that could have been good.
Please move.
Oh, but this closed sometimes.
I have no idea where that is.
This is all old, guys.
Yeah, sure is pretty old.
Look at it. There's small tables. That's not a... I didn't know this was a restaurant. Oh yeah, because I could tell for that.
A restaurant there? Why would you have a restaurant in an abandoned place?
Yeah, you can sit down here, guys.
Oh, was it for back then?
Yeah, I can just...
For when it wasn't abandoned?
Yeah. Look at that, guys.
That's the nearest one before.
Oh, yeah, see you guys once. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Alright, so that'll be all for this video. If you guys please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share, ring the bell for notifications so I miss further content. And I'll be seeing us in the next Budgie Marx video. But also, yes, I had to use a video from the past. Bye.